Hey guys, this is FFalpha. We're back with another video. Today we are introducing story mode. Story mode will just be me looking looking at gameplay. So just to introduce you to this, it's pretty much just me watching gameplay, doing videos about like stories in real life. Many YouTubers do this with different names and stuff. Some people do this. So yeah, I just thought of it. So maybe I could do a topic like my eyes, or why 9 plus 10 equals 21. Those will actually be real videos. So yeah, I will just be doing this, and you guys, hopefully you guys can read more about me and stuff like that. So yeah, that's story time. Thank you guys, and welcome to story time.